feeling great. Order dominoes and take off our clothes. You know how I go, make the pizza man wait. Fuck them, come home and don't tell me about it. They getting temporary dough and don't tell me about it. And don't tell me if I change, don't tell me about it. I don't wanna go back to Jamaica, don't tell me about it. This is the part that the thugs skip. What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. This is your first time here. Welcome. My name is Natalie.
Drive slow, homie.
I'm gonna keep it 100 with you guys. I'm not wearing a bra. Don't judge me. It's been a long day. I've just spent the past hour fixing my ring light. But that is besides the point. This video is going to be my March Play by Sephora unboxing. I was gonna do a Sephora Play versus Allure, but like I don't know where the fuck my Allure box is. Like they're taking their sweet ass time, and it's actually usually one of the ones I get first. So it's not here, so we're just gonna do Play, okay? And so yeah, okay, this is March, and this is the bag. I do like the blue tie-dye, and it says, "Beauty is my spirit animal." And that is so true. Like, that is for sure my spirit animal. But the only thing is, like, this font is kind of giving me, like, an American Horror Story vibe. But besides that, I do like that, and I am so excited to see what is in my Sephora Play because I always get bomb-ass products. They give you a little pamphlet, and then if you take this link to the store, you get 50 Beauty Insider points. But let's be real, like, who goes to an actual store anymore? It's bad. It's like when I actually do leave the house, I have so much like social anxiety. It's not even funny because I'm just like so used to not leaving the house. Like, you can buy anything online, plus get free stuff when you order it online. So why would I go to the store? You know what I'm saying? Anyways. Alright, the first thing is this BUXOM Rock Pout Plump Line Lip Liner in Hush Hush. Ooh, they do have really good lip liners. And you know I love their lip glosses because I have the giveaway going on right now for a BUXOM lip kit of lip creams and lip glosses. So if you didn't know, I'll put a link up here. It is my February favorites video, and all the information is in that. So it says a plumping lip lining pencil in a warm cinnamon pink shade with a matte finish. All right. Ooh, that's like a really good size lip liner. Wow, I was like expecting this tiny, tiny pencil. Eyeliner or lip liner. Here, let me get a lip liner, an Urban Decay lip liner. Like, that is a decent sample. I know this is going to be awesome. I can already tell. Wow. So creamy. Oh, my shade's a little too pink to be rocking this, but I'm super excited about that. Ooh, that would look perfect with celebrity skin. All right, moving on. Okay, so the second product is this Lancome Miel and Mousse Foaming Cleanser Makeup Remover with acai honey. Okay, it says the unique formula goes, hold on, onto skin with a thick honey-like texture and transforms into a velvety mousse once emulsified with water, washing away impurities without drying skin. Ooh, that sounds very interesting actually. I love Lancome. Alright, moving on. The next product is this Murad Invisiblur Perfecting Shield Broad Spectrum SPF 30. It is a sunscreen, primer, and anti-aging treatment in one. And I have actually tried this before. I think I actually still have it. But you can see it's like a clear gel. I'm not thrilled about that, you know. Okay, so the next product is this Sephora collection Fond de Teint Perfection Compact Matte Fayence. Why can't it just be an oh, it isn't English in the front. Sephora Matte Perfection Powder Foundation. A modern hybrid powder foundation with a creamy texture and buildable soft matte finish. FlexMate technology moves with skin for the ultimate comfort and weightless, perfecting coverage. Okay, so this shade they sent me was in Neutral Linen, number 14. And it says it's available in 35 shades. Wow, that's really good. Sephora makeup is like hit or miss for me. It's like some of their products, and especially their brushes, are awesome. But then there's like other products that are just like, hell no. Like even like the Sephora employees would be like, girl, don't buy that. Like seriously. But this does look pretty interesting. So here is what it looks like. And let me see how it feels. Ooh, it does have like a very, very unique texture. Like a very velvety satin, but it's like the softest thing I've ever felt. Wow, that's pretty good coverage for a powder. Huh. I'm actually excited to try this. Okay. Alright, the last, well, almost last product. I have a bonus, but it is this Verb Ghost Oil. And I've actually already gotten this from Sephora Play. I love it though. I really do love it. I usually don't use many oils because it can just weigh my hair down, and I also my roots get greasy very fast. So I don't like to add much oil because it makes it greasier. But using this as a finishing oil, it's very lightweight, does not weigh your hair down. I really like it. So I'm excited that I got another one. And then my like bonus is this, like it seriously feels empty. Like there's like hardly anything. Oh, it's a hair sheet. What? It is this Way Anti-Frizz hair sheet. Huh. One of a kind, individually packaged hair sheets that rid your hair of frizz and add a lovely scent on the go. Oh, that's pretty cool. I am really excited to try that. Alright, so let me reflect. With the exception of the Murad primer, I'm excited about all the products. I really am. I'm most impressed with this BUXOM lip liner, and I'm really super excited to try this powder, and this cleanser sounds super unique and interesting. Turning into a foaming cleanser makeup remover. So overall, it was a good box. I wasn't blown away like I have been the past few months, but that's okay. I still got a lot of products that I will definitely use. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget about my giveaway, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.